Bonsoir. Aslema. Bonsoir. Marhaba bikom. Chers invités, je vous prie de vous installer. Nous allons commencer dans quelques minutes. Merci.
Ça hein, allez. Faut pas tirer. C'est allumé. Test. Test. أنا بسكره. Bonsoir tout le monde, je vais juste vous demander, pour ceux qui ne sont pas encore assis, de vous asseoir. On va commencer dans 30 secondes. Et il y a des places devant, donc n'hésitez pas à vous approcher un peu. So, an English message will follow. Thank you. Donc, excusez-nous, on a eu un peu plus de confirmation que prévu. Donc, on est en train de préparer 50 chaises en plus. Donc, merci encore d'être venus si nombreux. C'est vraiment un très, très grand plaisir de vous avoir tous parmi nous et surtout d'être ici pour soutenir les entrepreneurs de la Tunisie. Alors, en plus d'être vraiment dans un bijou, vraiment un bijou tunisien, ce qui est le plus beau avec ce qu'on fait chez nous, c'est qu'on travaille avec de vrais bijoux. Et je ne parle pas du tout de l'immeuble où on est, mais c'est vraiment, on travaille avec du talent qui est fantastique. On a des jeunes entrepreneurs qui sont parmi nous, qui sont en train de faire des choses incroyables dans un pays qui est incroyable, qui a certes ses challenges, pour ceux qui ont eu la coupure d'eau ce matin, mais ça ne fait que rajouter de la valeur à l'effort que les entrepreneurs tunisiens font. Je voudrais, avant d'aller plus loin, je voudrais introduire un de nos partenaires qui nous a soutenus depuis le début. Et excusez-moi, ça marche pas. Mais je veux soutenir un de nos partenaires qui nous a soutenus depuis le début. Avant ça, je voudrais juste mentionner qu'on a une application mobile. Vous pouvez la télécharger sur www.flat6labs.com/app qui vous aidera à garder le contact avec les entrepreneurs et avec les autres membres de la salle aujourd'hui. Alors, ça c'est un peu le dernier mot que je vais dire en français parce que notre vision pour les entrepreneurs tunisiens, c'est pas seulement de rester en Tunisie, mais c'est vraiment de sortir à l'extérieur des frontières nationales. Ce qui veut dire que ils sont malheureusement obligés de s'adapter à l'économie globale et donc ils vont faire leur pitch en anglais aujourd'hui. Pour ceux qui en ont besoin, nous avons des casques de traduction. Donc on a une équipe qui est en train de circuler avec des casques. Si jamais vous en avez besoin, on en a une bonne centaine. Donc juste levez la main et l'équipe va vous en donner. So thank you again very much for coming. As I was saying, as our vision for Tunisian entrepreneurs is to grow beyond national borders, our entrepreneurs will actually be pitching in English today. And if you have any mobile phone, you can actually use our mobile application to actually keep in touch with the other guests in the room and be able to connect much beyond the event today. I would like to, go ahead. So I'd like to welcome to the stage Mr. Karim Ghanem, who is the CEO of Biat Capital Risk. The Biat has been a very strong supporter of Flat6Labs with us today. So please welcome Karim Ghanem to the stage. I think we're missing a microphone. Juste donner un microphone. Can we have a microphone here, please? Tariq, can you have a microphone, please? Here you go.
Good evening, everybody. Just a few words, I won't be long. So, I'm pleased to attend the demo day of the 3rd edition of Flat6Labs Tunisia. First of all, I would like to extend a big thank you to all Flat6Labs team members for their amazing job that they're doing. Biat, as a dynamic stakeholder in the economic entrepreneurial ecosystem in Tunisia, and also as a partner of Flat6Labs program, strongly believes that entrepreneurship is the appropriate lever to boost creativity, job creation, and economic development overall. Besides, the entrepreneurial ecosystem in Tunisia is becoming more and more enabling, considering all the initiatives that have been launched by the private and the public sectors, and also the passing of the Startup Act that is considered to be a huge progress and that undoubtedly will have a positive impact on startup creation. According to the statistics of Flat6Labs network, on average, 1 out of 2 startups that are accepted to the program receives funding. So you are very well positioned to be one of these startups. You are on the right track, believe in your dreams and on your capacity to achieve your goals. Don't fear failure because it's part of the process. And at the end, I wish you a challenging and a successful journey. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Karim. I would like to welcome on the stage a dear friend and also a great supporter of the work we've been doing at Flat6Labs, Mr. Zakaria Belkhoja, co-founder of Le 15 and the Director of Strategy at Menex Holding. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much, Yahya. Thank you for organizing this for my birthday. I really appreciate it. To be more serious, I think over the last weeks or the last days, we have been through very difficult times. And I think being here today, seeing this incredible crowd in this incredible place, because you can look at how incredible this place is, dealing with these young entrepreneurs being very stressed right now because they will be presenting in the next minutes their project, their dream, as Karim was saying, give us a lot of hope. And that's why I'm really happy to be here, because I'm taking this hope to fight tomorrow for a better future. And I think a good news is also related to investor. I think I'm really proud of being one of this partner of this project, because of, for example, out of the 6 first startups of Cycle 1, 4 were able to raise capital as a follow-on investment. So it shows the quality of the young people we have in this country, and it shows also the quality of this program. So good luck, and see you very soon. Thank you.
Thank you, Zakaria. And without further ado, please, I would like to present Walid Triki, who is our new managing partner at Flat6Labs Tunis.
Hi everyone, I'm Walid. I'm the managing partner of Flat6Labs Tunis. I've joined this amazing team 3 months ago, and actually today is my 3rd demo day. The last 2 times I was from the other side, but it's definitely the same feeling. It's that feeling of pride to be part of the Tunisian startup ecosystem. Our ecosystem and all of us are all committed to support the people and the entrepreneurs who are changing our country. There is one number that I want to share with you. In 2017, Tunisian entrepreneurs have raised for the equivalent of $7 million. In 2018, Tunisian entrepreneurs have raised for $20 million. So it's clear that magic starts to happen in our country. Another seed fund has been created 1.5 years ago. It's a seed fund that invests in innovation and knowledge economy. We invest in everything related to digital, to education, to healthcare, to fintech, to green tech, to big data, to e-commerce. The fund is willing to invest in 90 startups in 5 years. And we have wonderful partners with us. We have the Tunisian American Enterprise Fund, we have BIAT, we have Menax, and very soon we will have 2 amazing international investors joining our amazing pool of partners. There is 2 types of investments in Anava. We invest in seed stage. It's a ticket of around $150,000 for the startups that go through the accelerator. And we have the follow-on and pre-series A investments. It's ticket from $200,000 to $800,000 for the startups that have a strong position in the market. After 1.5 years of operations, we have already 20 startups in our portfolio. We have invested around $3.5 million in seed investment. Our startups have raised $3 million from external investors, but also from Anava Seed Fund. We have created more than 100 high qualified jobs, and we have invested so far in 6 regions, in Sfax, in Sousse, in Monastir, Tunis, Beja, and Kif. Again, thank you very much for being here, and enjoy the startup show. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Walid, and thank you for your beautiful exit. I would like to call to the stage the rest of the team. So first Fat, and then followed by Tarek, who will give you a bit more detail about the outreach that we do and the program that we actually do to support entrepreneurs. Fatin.
Aslema. Fatin Aissi, Marketing and Outreach Manager at Flat6Labs. So since the launch of the initiative in 2016, at Flat6Labs Tunis, we made it our mission to reach out to entrepreneurs from across the country. So since we have been starting our roadshow, I think Flickr is not going? Flickr. No. So since we started touring the country in order to meet with amazing startups with whom we can build the future, we have been always amazed by the creativity, innovation, and really enthusiasm of Tunisian entrepreneurs. So since this phase, which is the inspiration phase, we have been visiting a lot of cities other than Tunis. And also, we have been organizing info sessions about our program. Also, we have been hosting events like meetups, educational workshops about our knowledge. And at the end, we conclude this phase by organizing the bootcamp, which is a 4-day event where 20 pre-selected startups have an idea about the acceleration program to, at the end of it, just end up with 3% of the startups having and continuing this journey with us. So I hope that today you will like and you will be impressed by the startups that we have selected. Thank you very much, and I give the floor to Tarek.
Hello, everyone. Very nice. It's an honor to have you all here with us. We're very, very proud to host our third demo day. I'm going to give you a bit more information about the Flat6Labs program. So regarding the program is a 4-month program where we select 7 startups after the selection that Fatin described. All the startups that you will be seeing today received seed funding, where all these startups benefit from an investment from the Anava seed fund. All the startups will benefit actually from a lot of mentorship and training. You will see a bit more details about that. A lot of community engagement. I think a lot of you we've seen during networking events, business events, or we harassed you with emails or phone calls. And this is our job, is to bother you for the startups and to have better support. We give them also a commercial support. We have access and connections with some of the corporates in Tunisia and in the region. We also offer physical incubation at Le 15, which is a beautiful space for entrepreneurs. If you haven't visited, we encourage you to do so. And we also offer legal support for all the startups. So now we are at the demo day, the 13th demo day, 13th of March, the third demo day. We will then offer for our startups investor matching. That is why you're all here, to support these startups and the investors that are here with us today. And the team will then proceed to help all of the alumni startups in securing further seed funding and to scale outside of the region. Regarding some KPIs and some interesting things about the program, we've had 7 startups. We've had over 50 mentors and coaches through sessions throughout the cycle. We've had over 35 training sessions, which culminates in over 100 hours of training, 200 guests, some of you we've seen during our Wednesday dinners, and company visits. We were so lucky to have our startups visit all of the corporates. I would like to take this opportunity, which is very important. None of this would be possible without the amazing support of all our mentors, all the 150 mentors. So please give a round of applause for all the mentors. These mentors give their time, their energy, their support, their network to contribute to these amazing startups and to help them further the business. And we would be nothing without their support, and I would like to to thank them. And last but not least, I would like to call on stage the startups for this third cycle of Flat6Labs. Please give a warm round of applause. Come on, clap, 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 clap. Keep the clicker. Thank you. Photo? Petite photo.
Thank you very much, Yalla. I'm sure you're ready to pitch. Let's go. So just a second time, if you haven't heard the announcement before, if you want to connect with the startups, if you want to connect with other guests today, please don't hesitate to use the mobile application. It's something very new that we're using, and I'm sure it would be very useful to keep in touch for the next few months. So now we're passing on to the very exciting part of the evening, which is where you hear not us, but the startups and the entrepreneurs actually talk about their projects. And so the way it works is that we have a presenter that actually presents the entrepreneur. It's somebody close to the person who's been leading on the business. And then it's followed by each pitch. The first pitch is a bit special. The first presenter is a bit special, so I'll let the video do the talking. Thank you very much.
Bonjour tout le monde, je me présente, je m'appelle Zubair Achour, je suis Principal Recruiter, concentré sur le recrutement technique et plus précisément tout ce qui touche au software engineering. Je travaille actuellement avec de nombreuses startups ici aux États-Unis. Je suis basé sur Austin, la capitale du Texas, et il m'est possible de vous parler aujourd'hui grâce à la vidéo différée, qui est l'une des features de FabSkill. Vu que nous avons 7 heures de décalage horaire entre le Texas et la Tunisie. Si vous vous demandez ce qu'est FabSkill et ce qu'on est maintenant, c'est entre autres grâce à 2 personnes, Béchir et Sofiane, avec lesquels j'ai eu l'immense honneur de travailler avec eux en tant que leur mentor. Béchir et Sofiane sont des professionnels assidus, dotés d'un sens aigu de la perfection et d'un sens des affaires qui ne peuvent que se traduire par un succès sans précédent pour leur startup, FabSkill. À mon sens, FabSkill va perturber le secteur du recrutement en Tunisie et ailleurs. J'ai été témoin des capacités techniques de la solution que l'on ne trouve plus que dans la Silicon Valley, mais ici même en Tunisie. Personnellement, j'ai eu l'opportunité d'utiliser et travailler par le passé avec plusieurs plateformes similaires. Et FabSkill s'est avéré être un outil de pointe qui changera radicalement la façon dont le recrutement est effectué en Tunisie grâce aux ressources et aux capacités de Béchir et Sofiane. Without any further ado, sans plus tarder, je vous présente Béchir.
Hi, I'm Béchir, CEO and co-founder of FabSkill. A few years ago, I founded my first startup. The idea was great, the opportunity was there. All what we needed was a fabulous and skilled team as fast as possible. So we posted some job vacancies, and in a few days we received hundreds of applications. Good news? Not really. 70% of them were simply irrelevant. Still, you need to go through all the applications one by one. When calling the candidates, Many of them were unreachable, unavailable, or too far to come. We succeeded to schedule in-person interview with 2 of them. The third asked to delay his meeting for the next week, but never came. The full process was painful and time-consuming. It took us 27 days to finish with a choice between 2 candidates, not really fabulous, neither skilled. So we created FabSkill, a one-stop solution that makes sourcing, tracking, assessing, and hiring talents easy and fast. For the candidate, we provide a dynamic news feed where we display only the most relevant jobs for his profile. A minimum match score is needed for him to apply. We ensure this way the best application's quality. For businesses, we created a user-friendly dashboard where all the team can evaluate, comment, and share feedbacks on candidates' applications. This collaborative process involves not only HR teams, but also managers and functional teams, ensuring more efficiency, transparency, and objectivity. We introduced pre-recorded video interviews as an innovative and scalable way of interviewing candidates dealing with issues related to mobility and availability. The recruiter sends a set of questions, a deadline, and get the candidate's answer on a video-based format. At the demand of our customers, we deployed more features, live video interviews. We created a recruiter chatbot and called him Piston, LinkedIn sourcing plugin, online tests and technical quiz, and much more. We provide our services to the business in a SaaS model through monthly subscription. We have 3 plans starting from 99 to 499 dinars per month. Every year, businesses spend more than 400 billion euros to get the most qualified talents. In Tunisia, our customers are IT sectors companies, RPOs, but also industry with high staff turnover. We agreed with more than 20 partners, such as universities and training centers, to source the best qualified profiles through their networks. We already onboarded more than 4,000 top-level candidates. In less than 2 months, we already have more than 80 businesses actively using our platform, 190 active job offers. We have big names, but also startups. The corporates and SMEs adopted the product for the traceability and the scalability. Startups love the speed of the process. We reduced their time to recruit to 50% and enabled them to hire candidates without even sending a single email. We are targeting the international market, Morocco by the end of the year, then expanding to France and Canada. By this year, we are expecting 70 customers with a total revenue of 270,000 dinars. By 2020, we are targeting 300 customers with a total revenue of 1.2 million dinars, which is going to ensure us expand to new markets like Egypt and Middle East region. To achieve our goals, we are asking for 700,000 dinars. The funds will be used in marketing and sales, onboarding more talented candidates, and of course, team recruitment. Here is the fabulous team behind FabSkill. Myself as CEO, Sofiane Mabrouk as CEO. We are both data science with 12 years of experience and recently have been joined by all those fabulous and amazing people. And guess what? All of them have been recruited through FabSkill. In FabSkill, we have a vision, a place where awesome companies meet top skilled people. So if you believe in this vision, or simply in need of recruitment, you are welcome to visit our booth. Thank you very much.
My name is Amel Saiden, president of Tunisian Startups, big close friends of Flat6Labs. I'm here today. I feel really privileged today to present a very special startup. So Mumi is very special with many dimensions, in many senses. So I've seen Ahmed the first time in the last cohort last summer with the Founder Institute. And he stood out already as just an amazing individual, talented in every dimension, aligning technical knowledge, business knowledge, and just the beautiful human skills. And I'm so amazed to see Ahmed aligning behind him, with him, 8 people with this vision to transform agriculture for good. So, Ahmed, Mumi, rock this stage.
So thank you, Amel, for the presentation. Hello, everyone. My name is Ahmed. I'm the CEO of Mumi, and I grew up in a farmer's family. In my experience, farmers struggle with managing their farms efficiently, simply because they lack accurate insights about their livestock. In Mumi, we solve this problem for dairy cows farmers. For them, managing the productivity of their cows is a challenge. Without reliable data, it is difficult to assess the right time to inseminate their cows and to detect early signs of diseases. This results on them losing money, estimated at about 25% of their revenue. And this is why we built Mumi. It's an IoT system and a platform designed to help farmers make accurate and quantitative decisions regarding their livestock health and fertility. Mumi, it's a smart necklace for cow that detects and grab data from the neck movement of the animal, valuable data about acceleration. We collect tens of thousands of data points per day per cow and send them to our platform. Then we analyze that data using artificial intelligence to recognize common patterns such as eating, drinking, and resting. Based on these patterns, we are able to detect precise biological changes and to notify the farmers and their veterinarians about optimal fertility periods, early signs of diseases, nutrition problems, and even milk quality issues using modern technologies such as push notifications, SMSs, and mobile dashboards. To get the solution, the farmers pays $15 as a subscription per month per cow. But on the other side, Mumi improves the cow productivity by up to $100 per cow per month. And to reach them, we partner with veterinarians, as each veterinarian covers, in average, 400 farmers with an average of 10 cows each. This results on 4,000 cows per veterinarian. And we are also working with financial institutions to integrate our solution in the loan packages they are offering for new farmers. We are starting from Tunisia, but Africa alone is a huge market. It's a $1 billion market per year, with a potential in North Africa alone of $100 million per year. We have a fully functional platform so far and made our first deployment in our pilot zone in Beja with 30 devices. And we are planning to deploy 100 more between 3 other regions in Tunisia in the next few weeks. This year, we are fine-tuning the fertility and the health features and reach 90,000 dinars as revenue. And the next year, we are adding to our features anti-theft, nutrition, and milk quality to file for 2 patents, expand to Algeria, and reach 900,000 dinars in revenue. We are raising 800,000 dinars for team expansion, market expansion, and research and development. Behind Mumi, there is a rockstar team. Myself, I have a strong R&D background. Our CFO, Bassem, he's an ex-Deloitte consultant. Our CTO, Mohammed, he's a senior software engineer. Ziad, our business developer, he is specialized in the African markets as a business developer. Tarek, Ashraf, Ratib, and Ahmed compose our R&D team. So if you would like to know us more, visit us in our booth. This was Mumi. Thank you. شكون تو؟
Hello. Thank you for the music. So hi, my name is Walid. I'm the CEO and founder of Digital Mania, and I'm also the co-director of the Founder Institute in Tunisia. So today I'm here to present, of course, a very special person, as everyone, I think, in the room seen in these guys. I met him like a few years ago, and like everyone starting this kind of venture, you see him with the jeans, t-shirt, backpack, and of course, a phone showing everyone what he's capable to do. And actually Mohammed was able to share with all of us is actually that technology is obviously for him very easy. It's a nice tool for him, but also it's a tool that can help us solve huge problems. And we partnered with him and we did amazing things together. So I'm very happy and proud that he asked me today for that I can present him. So please help me welcome him very loudly on the stage. Mohammed Khalouf.
Hello, my name is Mohammed. Okay. Hello, my name is Mohammed. I'm the CEO of Gramingo, and our mission is to support vendors, create loyal customers. Vendors are facing huge problems reaching their consumers, and even if they do, they are delivering a poor customer experience to them. Customers are struggling to increase their retention rate. As we know, retention is key to any sustainable business. In fact, studies show that just a 5% increase in customer retention increase profit by up to 95%. That's why we created Gramingo, a customer acquisition, engagement, and retention platform. For vendors, Gramingo offers a loyalty program, a live marketing tool, and a feedback management system. It enables them to create a huge number of interactions with their consumer. For example, they can create special discount for nearby consumers, send a comeback notification for the absent ones, customize a game to attract them, or even send them a birthday gift. To measure the impact, vendors have access to a fully dedicated dashboard that enables them to know their consumers and to know their consumption trends. On the other side, for consumers, Gramingo is a free downloadable app from Google Play or Apple Store. They have the app, they go to their favorite store, they consume and get a rewarding code, they use the code to get instantly rewarded. Vendors have access to all that by paying a monthly subscription fee starting at 79 TND. They also have access to a targeted notification for 88 TND. The retail market in the MENA region is growing. It's growing very fast. It's estimated at 350 billion USD, at 2017, and it's growing by 25%. As a start, we have already 30 paying customers between food and beverage, beauty stores, and even gas stations. In 3 months, we already have made 24,000 TNG in revenue. We are working on some strategic partnership with La Poste Tunisienne to get integrated on their payment cards and with El Temiam to directly provide the rewarding code. For our roadmap, we are working to achieve 300,000 TNG by the end of this year. For the next year, we are planning to go to North African country to achieve 2.4 million TNG. And for the third year, we are planning to be fully integrated with POS system to achieve 7 million TNG. We are asking for 700,000 TNG to secure 2,000 vendors, to reach 250,000 downloads, and for product development purpose. We are a fully dedicated team composed by myself as CEO with 10 years experience in making mobile apps, Fatma as a sales manager, Molka as a communication manager, and Mohammed as a tech lead. Thank you for your attention. We'll be in our booth for more interaction. Thank you.
Bonsoir. Serkhir. Bonsoir. Hassem. Très heureux d'être parmi vous ce soir pour un exercice un peu spécial. Je me présente Hamza Balloumi, producteur et animateur à la télé et à la radio. Et je suis ici parmi vous aujourd'hui pour vous présenter très rapidement, très brièvement, Wassim, un jeune Tunisien dont je viens de faire la connaissance il y a quelques semaines. Je l'ai invité à la radio et j'ai été impressionné par un jeune de 30 ans qui a été le premier, je pense, à lancer son entreprise juste après la Révolution. Ce qui m'a passionné dans son parcours et dans sa personne, c'est sa détermination. Et je pense que c'est quelqu'un qui ira très loin. Je vous demande d'accueillir Wassim Ben Hamida. Merci.
Hi everyone. I am Wassim Ben Hamida, CEO and co-founder of the Tunisian industrial robotic arm, Tira Robots. We know that factories in our region face international competition and need robotic technology to remain competitive. Industrial robots are expensive, and the after-sales services are not locally accessible. We identified a huge opportunity. The global industrial robotic market is estimated to 60 billion euro today, with an annual growth of 29%. And that's why we created Tira Robots, the first manufacturer of industrial robots in Tunisia, Africa, and the MENA region. Thank you. In 2018, after 5 years of self-funded R&D and the pilot patent, we sold our first robot. We have demonstrated our ability to produce competitive 6-axis industrial robotic arms that are fast, high quality, and extremely precise. Our robots are very flexible and can cover a variety of applications, such as welding, laser cutting, inspection and control, and as you can see, palletizing. Oh. Yes. Our robot system is composed of an articulated robotic arm, a robot controller, and a human-machine interface,
All of this controlled by a real-time operating system and a lot of complex algorithms. We offer a range of robots with different payloads and configurations. Our carefully designed robots makes us 45%, I repeat, 45% less expensive compared to our competitors worldwide. Our revenue comes from the sales of our robots, the maintenance contracts, and training robot training sessions that we offer to our final users. We distribute our robots through value-added resellers that are well-trained on our technology. We call them top partners, Tira official partners. We have established 6 top partners across the region. We have 3.9 million Tunisian dinar in our sales pipeline. Tira is already a member of the 3 global organizations in the world: the International Federation of Robotics, the Robotic Industries Association, and recently by Euromap. Our vision for the next 3 years is to sell more robots, expand our distribution network, and to achieve 25 million Tunisian dinar as a revenue. To accelerate our growth, we are looking to raise 2.7 million Tunisian dinar to recruit, enroll, and train new value-added resellers, to expand our team, and to set up our assembly unit in Tunisia. In Tira Robots, we have a unique startup culture, Tira Army. We need an army to cope with the very strong competition in our field. My army is composed of myself, Wasif Mahmida, CEO and co-founder, with 11 years of experience in the industrial robotic field with more than 25 international robotic projects, Azza Atiya as a CMO and co-founder, Shedli Smedhi as a CFO and co-founder, Marwa Masmoudi as an R&D manager, and a hard-working team. We are also supported by amazing advisors. To learn more about Tira Robots and the future of robotics, come visit our booth. Thank you. Thank you very much. Merci. Yeah.
That was awesome. So we're at the halfway point of the evening, and we're going to take a small break to have something a little different. So we decided this year to invite 2 of our entrepreneurs who have come out of Flat6Labs, the accelerator, a year ago, to tell us a little bit about where they are now, where they want to be, and just ask them a few questions about their goals for the next few years. I would like to invite on stage Amini Mansouri from Dabshi and Adam Shibi from Vind. Hi guys, it's a pleasure to have you on stage. Amini, if you can, you have a lot of light just on you, but if you can be actually in the light, it's even better for everyone. Thank you very much. So we're going to start. Amini, can you just tell us, maybe in 30 seconds, what you do? And then we'll start with a few questions. Go ahead.
Hello everyone, my name is Amini. I'm co-founder and CEO of Dabchi.com. Dabchi is the fashion marketplace for women and kids. We are helping them to revamp their wardrobes online through our platform. So we have a website and mobile app, and it's used by more than 400,000 users across 3 countries, Tunisia, Morocco, and Algeria. And they listed more than 200,000 items on our platform.
Thanks very much. Adam, go ahead.
Thank you very much for inviting us, Yahya. So we are Vind. We are a discovery platform. We give you the possibility to find restaurants, their menus, and also book in these restaurants. with a vision to create a digital platform that digitalize these restaurants and help them enhance their business.
Thank you. So my first question is to Amani, because we've recently seen you in the news. How does it feel to be among the top 30 African young people, under 30?
To be honest, I've dreamt about it, and I thought that it was something we earned through our achievement. So I didn't even know that we can apply for it. So when a journalist reached out to me, it was really unbelievable. So I'm really happy and proud. I'm really proud of my team. And this nomination is really the result of hard working, networking, and a lot of sacrifices. That's it.
It's really awesome. I would like to just ask, I just want to take a small break and ask our guests in the back to please either have a seat or just if they can reduce the noise a little bit, because it's a little bit distracting to the entrepreneurs here. Thank you. Adam, what actually, what made you start Vind, and what was the motivation behind the startup?
It's a whole funny story, actually. It was a fight that triggered the concept of Vind with my girlfriend at that time, now is my wife. And then just we decided to create, Khalil and I, my co-founder, we decided to create Vind to help these restaurants to better manage their business and have more visibility. So it's a very long story. Yahya, you don't need to hear it.
Amani, so you've come out of Flat6Labs a little bit more than a year ago. What has happened since then with Dabshi?
We worked a lot on our product, so we made a lot of technical improvement. We launched Dabshi Kids to help mothers to revamp the wardrobe of their kids. And we worked a lot also on our retention, so we have a gamification system today to encourage our users to come back to the platform. It's a gamification system based on their interaction and actions on the platform, and also the successful transactions they made. So we had a lot of new things on our platform, and you have just to stay tuned.
Great, that's very exciting. And looking forward to hearing more about you in the news. And last question for Adam. So what was really the best advice? So as part of Flat6Labs and outside, you've received hundreds, if not thousands, pieces of advice, especially in the Arab world. We're experts at giving advice, especially unsolicited advice. So what's the best advice you've had in the last couple of years related to your startup and being an entrepreneur?
Yeah, as you said, we got a lot of advices, actually. We were very lucky to have in our journey many people who were helping us and giving us advices. But I'm going to choose one that is still pushing us every day. My co-founder and I, we were pitching one day and someone just stopped us and said, you're not gonna make it in Tunisia, that's not for us. You don't waste your time, just choose another thing. That's really, that was one of the things that created an anger that is pushing us to succeed.
Well, really, congrats, people. Please help me thank them once again, and we'll pass on to the next slide. Thank you. For the next part, so we have 3 startups left before we can have a small reception where you'll be able to network with the entrepreneurs, you'll be able to ask them questions. I'm sure you have a lot of questions to ask them. But before that, again, one last time, if you haven't downloaded the app already, please do so, because it will help actually keep the connection going. And I would like to actually invite to the stage Hosni to present the next startup.
Alors, bonsoir tout le monde. Bonsoir, je m'appelle Hosni Gargoul, je suis DG de Pi2R, une agence de conseil marketing digital depuis 2003. Et je suis très honorée et très fière aujourd'hui d'être là ce soir et de vous parler de Tarek. Tarek, il était là pour mon premier entretien d'embauche en 2000. Il n'aime pas que je le présente en tant que mon premier boss, parce que c'est vrai que hiérarchiquement, à l'époque, ce n'était pas du tout le cas. Mais moi, je le considère ainsi. Non pas pour des choses qu'il m'a appris, ou pour des réunions d'encadrement qu'on a pu faire, mais pour son exemplarité. C'est quelqu'un d'intègre, fidèle à ses valeurs, humain, persévérant. Il a fait sa carrière en 3 ou 4 pays différents, mais toujours égal à lui-même. La seule chose qui bouge, c'était les idées de projet. Dès qu'il avait un petit temps, pas d'effort, service en ligne maintenant, plateforme par là, par-ci, etc. Il y a 19 ans, cet homme aurait pu changer le paysage digital en Tunisie, et je pèse mes mots. On n'avait pas cru à son projet à l'époque. Mais aujourd'hui, je pense qu'il est bien entouré, bien à sa place, et je suis très fière aujourd'hui de l'appeler pour qu'il nous présente Boustini.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tariq Nashnouchi, CEO and founder of Boustini. Welcome and thank you very much for being here. So, today we live in a world where we cannot trust everything we see, especially on the internet. To be more specific, the studies show that 70% of internet users do not trust online ads anymore. On the other hand, we are influenced by our community, our friends, our families, our co-workers. Every time we share, we comment, or we like on anything online, we are influencing those who are following us. We have become influencers in our own small community. We are nano-influencers. So now, this creates huge opportunities for brands who are looking for a new and more effective way to reach out to new customers, an alternative for social media advertising. What if every one of these nano-influencers could become a booster for your brand or your product? Ladies and gentlemen, at Boustini, we created a self-service web platform for brand and advertisers to connect through a network of thousands of social media users with our mobile app. Every one of these nano-influencers are paid for every transaction that they generate or every qualified clicks. Let's say we have Jumia here. They have new shoes they want to promote. They just create a campaign on Boustini. They set up the amount they are ready to pay for every commission or every click. Boustini's predictive algorithm will detect which boosters is the best to promote this specific product. A booster can create a Facebook post with the link generated by Boustini, or maybe she will share it to her friends or Snapchat, Viber, WhatsApp, any social network. And if someone clicks on the link, she generates her first revenue. And if someone buys the shoes from Jumia, Boustini will track the transaction, calculate her commission, credit her account, and allow her to cash out through multiple options, like mobile payment or bank transfer. On these commissions, we take 30% share and fees if we have to manage the campaign. Our market is social media advertising, and in MENA is growing very fast, more than 20% every year. It's going to reach $4 billion within 2020 and more than $70 billion worldwide. So far, and with just 1 month of beta advertising, in fact, 3 months only, Boustini is already showing good traction. We have great interest from both sides, boosters and advertisers. Without any marketing effort, we already embarked 15 beta advertisers, more than 300 boosters, and we generated more than 700 leads and transactions. Amazing, right? We also secured and built partnerships, strategic partnerships, with some of the major local companies, like MediaNet, the biggest digital agencies in Tunisia, or Subflus, one successful mobile payment and micropayment solution in Tunisia. Our target for the first year is to reach 20,000 boosters in Tunisia, 45 advertisers, and to generate 400,000 dinar. But we want to expand in MENA as fast as possible. Morocco and Egypt first for the second year, and the rest of the Middle East for the third year to reach 100,000 boosters, more than 200 advertisers, and to generate revenue of 5 million dinar. For that, we are raising 800,000 dinar. With this fund will be used to recruit more boosters through marketing, to extend our sales through customer recruitment, and to grow our team with more talent. Speaking about the team, this is the team behind Boostini. Myself, I have 19 years of experience in digital advertising and e-commerce. I had the chance to work at Yahoo in the UK, in France, to work at the group Souk.com in the UAE, in MediaNet here in Tunisia. And with me, our CTO, Mohammed Anis Mahjoub, and he is much more than CTO for us. With more than 5-year experience in mobile and web development, Reem and Aziz, who are in charge of marketing and outreach, and a group of very talented and motivated interns. Ashraf, Muhammad, Sonia, Selma, Mariam. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are really interested to know more about Boostini, Anis and I will be more than happy to meet you in our booth. Thank you very much for being here.
Hi everyone. Bonjour. Norman Abslem. I'm IBM Territory Manager covering Tunisia, Algeria, and Libya. And today I'm here to talk about Mohamed Ali Rjiba, an impressive, amazing professional. I got to know him a couple of weeks, months back. I'm the privileged coach of eRobots and Mohamed Ali in this adventure. Very nice projects. Of mature projects ready for industrialization, done by a very professional and passionate person. Start developing coding at 12 years old. You will see his pitch, you will see his project, impressive and amazing. Mohamed Ali.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mohamed Ali. I'm the founder and CEO of eRobot. Today, companies in Europe, Middle East, and Africa spend more than $100 million in ready-made enterprise software, but they are very often expensive. When companies decide to go with customized IT solutions, process can take a very long time with inefficient communication with the developers. That's why we created eRobot. eRobot is a cloud-based visual programming solution that allows companies to create web and mobile applications without writing a single line of code. And it's so easy to use. User can select his output device, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. He customizes layouts, design, and wireframing. Upload his data structure, and eRobot generates for him a full application ready to be used in less than 10 minutes. And this is a sample of application created by eRobot in edit mode.
Our platform helps the web and mobile development agencies who want to reduce their development costs, companies and startups who can't invest in expensive software licenses. Our business model is based on monthly or annual subscription program who starts from 299 dinars per month. In our pilot program, we have already developed and sold solutions for 6 of our clients, such as a B2B and B2C e-tourism ERP, a car rental solution, and an e-commerce platform, and generated more than 95,000 dinars of revenue. In January, we finalized our MVP to test the market with businesses and validated with IT experts. During this year, we will launch our visual programming version for people who don't have computer development skills. By 2020, we will launch our mobile app generator for people who don't have mobile development skills and sell 100 applications. By 2021, we will sell 300 applications and to reach 5.4 million dinars of revenue. We are looking to raise 400,000 dinars for team, admin costs, and marketing. And behind eRobot is an amazing team of IT specialists with me, Mohamed Ali, founder and CEO, with more than 18 years experience in IT development, Noura Toujani, our CTO, Fakhr Bimtima, our lead security expert, Nuha and Jamel, our full-stack developers. Thank you for your attention, and if you want to build with us the future of IT development, you can join us at our booth. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum, اسمي ذكرى الخليفي et je m'occupe de l'innovation chez Orange Tunisie, donc d'Orange Developer Center, et puis le nouvel acteur de l'accélération en Tunisie, Orange Fab. Je suis mentor aussi d'une start-up au Flat6Labs, ça nous montre un peu la synergie fabuleuse de notre écosystème. Aujourd'hui, je suis là pour présenter Slim Ben Nasrallah et la start-up Simba. Donc Simba, il ressemble un petit peu au roi lion avec son papillon aujourd'hui, mais le jour où je l'ai vu, il était en t-shirt avec un personnage d'un jeu vidéo et il est venu me dire mon business c'est du lourd, vous allez le croire, et puis c'est du sérieux. Et puis depuis, je suis vraiment très impressionnée par les qualités de Slim. C'est un vrai leader, c'est un vrai lion, c'est un vrai game player, c'est un vrai challenger, c'est une vraie star. Slim, the floor is yours.
Hello everybody. I should begin with thanking Dhikra before. Then I'm going to start. So I'm Slim Ben Nasrallah, CEO and co-founder of Simba, and I am somebody that grew up loving video games. I learned developing them, but I also learned that monetizing them can be a bit difficult. Although the market itself was valued for more than $120 billion for 2018, and more than half of it came from mobile games only. But it benefits only to 4% of the mobile games. Big names such as Pokemon Go, Flappy Bird, Angry Birds, and Candy Crush. We have 96% of the gaming industry left behind. We have to find a solution to monetize them efficiently. So we asked ourselves, what if we could unite people around paid games, paid tournaments, and duels for all of these games? We would make it more fun for players to play together and easier for game developers to monetize their games. Introducing to you Simba, a game tournament system that is going to solve all of these problems with nearly no code at all. The players simply participate to duels and tournaments, win in-game virtual currency, position himself among communities of gamers, and all of it with a single cross-game Simba account. To do so, the game developer only needs to create a game in the game developer dashboard, fill all the needed info, 5 minutes tops, then drag and drop the module inside the game project and connect it to the created game. 3 minutes. In the blink of an eye, you are monetizing your game with all the benefits and features Simba has to offer. Available on Unity, iOS, and Android. Soon to come on Unreal Engine. Then we are going to cover the 2 biggest game engines on the market, more than 80%. We are turning your game into an esport game with duels and tournaments included. The business model itself is a B2B in-game solution. We bring the communities and the buyers, and the game developer brings his game. Then we are going to share 50% commission on all the transactions made. To do so, we've dealt a lot of partnerships with Stripe, HiPay, and we are currently working on including Payment Wall, Orange Billing System, and Bizao. So far, we've integrated 7 games in closed beta, organized more than 6,000 matches, and we already started making money. And we are working on increasing the number of integrated games by working to establish partnerships with Digital Mania, Play Arabi, Orange, Play, Gaming Lab, and Rababa Games. And we've got more than 1,500 games in the pipeline to contact the next month after our launch. Our milestones are set for 2019 to bring 10 new games, 1 million players, and close the year with €1 million of income. And our next milestone is to reach 50 new big games, 10 million players, and €5 million of income for 2020. To do so, we are looking for 1 million Tunisian dinar for digital marketing towards indie game developers, expanding the sales team, and customer acquisition. Currently, the team itself is composed by me, Slim Ben Nasrallah, CEO of Simba, ex-CEO of an IT company and 3 startups, Jasser, CTO, ex-CTO of an IT company, Jean-Philippe, ex-JC Deco France, Geoffrey, Mohammed, and Jihad. And we are all a bunch of people that are fond of video games and avid players. Thank you for listening. With your support, Simba rocks, and please feel free to join us in our booth.
Well done.
Thank you.
This was pretty awesome. Last but not least, so as you know, Flat6Labs is a network across 6 countries. I'm very, very pleased to invite to the stage, my Global Chief Investment Officer, Dina Shinoufi.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's unfair coming on stage after these amazing performances. It's inspirational, and I feel like I'm such a party pooper. And so I'll make it very short. I've witnessed the launch in Flat6Labs in Egypt, our very first country where we launched. And then soon after, it was the UAE, Saudi, Beirut, Lebanon, Bahrain, and Tunisia. And the energy and the perseverance I see of the startups here is outstanding. Not Tunis alone, but the Middle East is tough. It's not as easy as it is in Silicon Valley, and it takes a lot of gut, a lot of conviction, and a lot of perseverance to make it happen. And these startups have exactly that. But in addition to having a blast, Flat6Labs, we pride ourselves in always saying we're an institutional investor. We're with them from the beginning, and we don't leave them. This is not where it ends. And I'm here today to say I come at the end of that show because Flat6Labs, Flat6Labs' role does not end tonight. Maybe it only starts. We're here to support them in the next phases of their growth. It only gets tougher. I'm sorry to tell you, Flat6Labs was the easy part. That program was easy. It gets rougher. We support them to get the follow-on investment, like Karim was saying earlier. We pride ourselves in trying to attract investors. We've seen the likes of Dabshi and Vind, who managed to attract investments from outside of Tunis. We've supported Tunisians and our Tunisian entrepreneurs attract foreign investments into Tunis. And we want to do a lot of that, and we want to do a lot more of that, and we need your support. These guys are not just making something fun, they're making fantastic investments that can create economic and social impact to Tunis and the entire Middle East. So I ask you all to please support them and support us. Thank you all so much. I hope you enjoyed tonight.
Thank you very much, Dina, and they're very, very true words. So just in closing and very briefly, because I know that people are pretty eager to actually talk to entrepreneurs or to each other, but I actually wanted to just mention, I want to pass on one small message, and I may do it in French, if you don't mind. Alors, c'est notre troisième démodé en Tunisie. On a beaucoup de chance parce qu'il y a de plus en plus d'intérêt sur non seulement le travail qu'on fait, mais aussi le travail sur les entrepreneurs et sur l'innovation dans ce pays. Bien sûr, à part juste le fait qu'il y a beaucoup plus de gens dans la salle, donc on s'excuse pour les gens qui ont dû rester debout, mais c'est un plaisir de vous avoir parmi nous. Il y a quelque chose de différent aussi dans la salle. C'est que ce n'est plus comme le premier démodé où c'est l'écosystème qui est avec nous, c'est-à-dire tous nos amis, les gens avec qui on travaille, les partenaires, etc. C'est des gens qui n'ont en fait, la moitié de la salle aujourd'hui, sont des gens qui n'ont rien à voir avec ce qu'on fait. Et c'est en fait la magie du soutien pour l'entrepreneuriat. On a par exemple Meuble Intérieur qui est là, qui soutient nos entrepreneurs. On a EY qui est là, qui soutient aussi nos entrepreneurs. Ça, ce n'est pas des structures d'incubation ou de fonds de soutien qui sont là. C'est vraiment des gens qui voient une valeur ajoutée commerciale au travail que les startups font, et donc un partenariat qui peut vraiment ramener de la valeur ajoutée. Et c'est pour ça, et c'est vraiment ça ce qu'on dit quand on veut que vous croyez dans le potentiel des entrepreneurs tunisiens et de l'innovation en Tunisie, parce que honnêtement, vous avez un bijou qui est absolument incroyable. Et donc merci encore beaucoup d'être venus. On va passer à l'étape réseautage après la photo de groupe. N'oubliez pas que dans votre petit paquet, il y a une carte d'intérêt qui pourra, pour garder le contact avec les entrepreneurs. Et merci encore d'être venus. J'invite les startups on stage. J'aimerais aussi inviter bien sûr tous nos partenaires, tous les coachs, tous les mentors, tous ceux qui ont contribué à Flat6Labs. Je pense que c'est plus de la moitié de la salle. Je voudrais inviter les partenaires dans la salle, s'il vous plaît. Tiens.